A very small but important update. Today's video is sponsored by the developer of DaVinci. There is one small update in this new version that I don't know why was not there before. Now if you want to make a speed ramp and you open the retime curve, the default is the retime speed, and you can add your keyframes and increase the speed. Sounds pretty basic, but in the previous versions, the default was on the retime frame. I don't even know what is this, and who was using it. You had to open the retime menu, uncheck the retime frame and check the retime speed. I never understood why though. I'm starting to believe that the developer of the software has no idea of editing. It was not a disaster, but if you are like me, and you are using speed ramps a lot in your projects, I think you will save a lot of time with this. One simple tip to get better speed ramps is to add a motion trail effect on your clip. Make sure that you are in the beginning of the speed ramp, activate the keyframe button for the trail length, and bring it down to 0. Go to the end of your speed ramp and set another keyframe, go in the middle of it and increase the trail length to 7. If you like this clip, subscribe to this channel. If you didn't, you can always go to the Adobe software.